Welcome back. I'm Scott Thuman. After 7 News reporting, Fairfax County's top prosecutor and sheriff are expected to answer questions on Capitol Hill tomorrow about so-called sanctuary policies for illegal immigrants. And as Nick Minock explains, the House committee cited 7 News reporting in the lead up to that hearing.
Over the years, 7 News has reported on violent illegal immigrant crimes in Fairfax County, how Commonwealth's attorney Steve Descano has given them deals, and how Sheriff Stacey Kincaid has released them back out into the community instead of to ICE. It's those policies and victim stories that are expected to take center stage at Thursday morning's congressional hearing.
I'm never going to speak to her again. Dear voice.
Cheryl Minter is set to testify on Capitol Hill Thursday because she blames CA Steve Descano for the murder of her only daughter. In February, Stephanie was killed at a Fairfax County bus stop. The suspect is Abdul Jallo, an illegal immigrant who has been arrested in the county more than 30 times. Before Stephanie's murder, police warned Descano's office several times that if Descano dropped charges against Jallo, he could harm someone again or even kill someone. It's stories like this that have the attention of the U.S. House Judiciary Committee. Congressman Tom McClintock was alarmed that Descano's own website for years admitted that he takes immigration consequences into account for illegal immigrants in plea and charging decisions.
That is the equal protection issue. Why would an illegal alien be charged with a lesser crime simply because they're an illegal alien? And that's what he boasted he was doing until he took that citation down a few weeks ago as the Department of Justice was beginning to focus on this.
He's also concerned that Kincaid doesn't honor ICE detainers. Kincaid's office has told 7 News she views immigration detainers as merely requests.
They're requests to protect the public. I thought that was her job. I don't understand how people can tolerate a sheriff who refuses to protect them from violent predators.
In a January letter to Descano and Kincaid, Congressman McClintock pointed to several cases 7 News has reported on that the committee finds concerning, like in December when an alleged MS-13 gang member accused of murder was released, and then police say he murdered someone else the next day in Reston. 7 News also reported on how Descano's office dropped several serious charges against an illegal immigrant who went on to be arrested for raping a woman on the W&OD trail in Herndon, and Kincaid's office released him into the community. These are just some of the many cases that have led to this congressional hearing on Thursday morning. Now, I reached out to Mr. Descano's office for comment. His office sent me his draft testimony. You can read it on our website, WJLA.com. Mr. Descano told me his policies are fair and legal. Back to you.
All right, Nick. Well, 7 News will stream tomorrow's hearing live on WJLA.com. It starts at 10 in the morning, and then our Nick Minock will break down the testimony from Descano and Kincaid, and you can find our complete coverage of all the criminal cases leading up to that hearing on the homepage of our website.